Hello guys, this is your guy here, Forex Mind Academy. Okay, today let's talk about DERIV account verification in USA, in Canada, in Rwanda, in United Emirates like Dubai and other restricted countries. And also let's talk about blocked accounts in those restricted countries. DERIV has restricted those countries, and there are people who open trading accounts using VPNs, but at the end some of them, the accounts get blocked while with funds inside. As you can see, most of these accounts that you see here, some were blocked accounts, some were accounts that needed verification before they can continue withdrawing their traded funds. Because with the DERIV, you can withdraw up to 10K without actually verifying your account, though it's not always the case. Sometimes even less. Sometimes on your first withdrawal they will ask you to actually verify your account, and if you are in those restricted countries you can't verify your account and you find that your funds there, it's more like you lose that money, you lose those funds. Like I said, these accounts, some of them were blocked accounts, and they were blocked like with a lot of money, some with 5K, some with 10K, some with 70K. Remember, I would assist people with blocked accounts like with amount of maybe 70, 80 or even 100K US dollars. That is a lot of money. So I've been doing this for almost 3 years, if not 4. I've been assisting people. I've assisted a lot of people. These accounts, they are not even all. Some I believe I didn't save here. Most of them I can't log into the account because after I assist a person, I ask the person to actually change their login details for safety reasons. So if ever you are encountering such problems, you are in those restricted countries like USA, you are in Canada, you are in Rwanda, you are in United Emirates and other restricted countries, and you can actually verify your account or you have blocked account, you can contact me. More details or contact details will be below the video. I'll leave them below the video description. In the video description, you'll find my contact details. So good luck, guys, and have a safe and wonderful trading with DERIV. If you want to set up a new account with DERIV, you can still find the link below this video. And after you've opened the video, you've opened the account or set up the account, you can actually contact me to assist you with verify it. The most safest way, if you are in those restricted countries, make sure that your account is verified before you trade. But if you have the account already, you can still verify it, or I can still verify it. If you have blocked account, I can still assist you with unblocking it and getting it verified. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and follow for more. Thank you and stay blessed.